It's a one-pot wonder today on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic. Today it's a one-pot wonder. It's easy to make, really flavorful, and it really goes the distance when you need to serve a number of people. Added bonus, your cottage or your home is gonna smell amazing when you make this corned beef dinner. To begin the recipe, we're gonna make a bouquet garni. In this case, it's a collection of spices. They're gonna add a lot of flavor to this pot. We're taking a piece of cheesecloth. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns, a teaspoon of whole coriander, a teaspoon of cloves, a teaspoon of mustard seed, gather it up, a little bit of butcher string, and you have an instant spice kit. Place it to the side for a moment. We're gonna take our Dutch oven. I like to start this recipe by adding in sliced white onion into the bottom of the pot before we add in our corned beef. I like doing this recipe with 3 pounds of corned beef. Today, 2 pieces go on top of the onions. Tuck your collection of spices to one side. Last thing is to add liquid to the pot. This large measure contains 2 cups of apple cider, 2 bottles of a favorite beer, and then 1 cup of water. Pour the liquid in, place your lid on the pot. We're transferring it to a preheated 275-degree oven. Our corned beef is gonna slow cook for 2 hours. At that 2-hour mark, we're carefully taking the pot out of the oven. Use an oven mitt to take off the lid. It sure looks and smells fantastic. This is our cue now to add our vegetables to complete this one-pot dinner. I like to add carrot to the pot. 4 carrots go in. Notice I've trimmed off the edge, but I haven't peeled the carrots. I love the rustic look of this dinner. I have a handful of pickling onions. I'm taking 3 potatoes, quartering them, tuck them in and around the meat. And then I have a small cabbage. I took out the core, I sliced it, and now place the cabbage on top of the pot. Lid goes back on, return it to the oven, and you're gonna let this cook for an additional 2 hours. While that's cooking, I'd like to suggest you click up here and make our beautiful creamy horseradish sauce. It goes perfectly with this corned beef dinner. Once your corned beef is done, we're taking it out of the oven. Lid comes off. Take your cabbage, transfer it to a bowl. Using a slotted spoon, we're gonna take out those vegetables, place them into a bowl as well, and then transfer your corned beef to a platter. For the vegetables, I'm roughly chopping them. I'm gonna add some butter, fresh chopped parsley, instant vegetable side. Cabbage goes onto our presentation plate. I'm gonna thinly slice the corned beef. Look how beautiful and juicy this meal is. When you're ready to enjoy, you're heading to table, place down your corned beef and cabbage. Gorgeous. Buttered vegetables go to the side, and then your creamy horseradish sauce. This one-pot wonder is ready to be enjoyed. I bet you're gonna enjoy some of the other stuff Weekend at the Cottage has on offer. Why not visit us on our dedicated website, subscribe to it while you're there. I bet you're watching this video right now on our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to it as well. And then finally, when you make this dinner, take a photo of it. Post it using hashtag Weekend at the Cottage on your favorite socials like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Yes, this complete dinner idea can be yours. All you gotta do is make it. After that, come on back and hang out again with Weekend at the Cottage. Always something delicious in the Weekend at the Cottage kitchen. Just like this. Enjoy.